Hello guys, ayan. Busy kami sa pag-decorate. Ayan. May reunion bukas kaya busy kami dito. 179. Ayan. Hello, hi. Prepare lang namin ang venue guys. Ayan. Kaway. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.